Did you just pick up your new C8 Corvette and looked at the back window and the bottom, that glass just looks unfinished? Well, we have a great solution for you from ACS Composite. Stay tuned. Hi guys, Tom from ZIC MOTO Garage here. Today we're going to be installing the glass spoiler on our 2026 Corvette C8. This particular spoiler comes from ACS. It really makes that Corvette look really cool, because since that glass that the coupes come with in the back area here, it is really just unfinished. Just looks like it's missing something. It should have had some type of a trim piece or something to finish it off from the factory, but it didn't. Luckily, ACS Composites came up with this pretty cool spoiler. Let's take it out of the box. All right, so what do we get? With the kit, you get instructions, adhesive promoter, 3M two-sided tape, and your spoiler. It's beautiful carbon flash finish. It looks really nice. Good news, it's made in Canada. It's actually good quality plastic. It looks really nice. The way it looks, we're gonna just dry fit it right now. As you put it on, really finishes that back window, makes it look really sharp. Now you're probably wondering why all this tape, why all this stuff that's on the glass. Well, we went ahead and ceramic coated the car before installing the spoiler. So now, what we're gonna have to do is go back and remove the ceramic coating from the edge that we're gonna be installing this on. So, we should have done this before, we didn't. Now we're gonna do it when it's ceramic coated. Obviously nothing really sticks well, even the tape that we put around it is coming up, which is a good sign because that means the ceramic coating is working. So right now, the way to remove the ceramic coating, it's not easy. You can't just take alcohol and wipe it down or whatnot, but it really, you need to polish it off. So that's what we're gonna be doing right now. So let's see, wipe this down. Good way to test to see if the ceramic coating has been removed is to try to stick some type of adhesive to it. Sticker, for example, would be a good test, or some tape. Let's see how we're doing over here. Is it sticking? It's definitely sticking better than it was to the side. So we're definitely doing a good job removing it. I think we're gonna be in good shape. Now that we've cleaned the glass, it's time for the installation. First thing you wanna do is obviously apply the 3M two-sided tape to the back of your spoiler. Once it's ready, glass is clean, you could dry fit it to see how it fits on that edge of the glass. Slide it on, it's pretty easy. Make sure you line up with the glass and the edge of the spoiler on both sides. It's pretty even. Looks like it fits pretty good. What we can do now, that looks perfect. All right, first thing what we need to do is apply the adhesive promoter to the glass. For this step, for the adhesive promoter application, I definitely recommend putting on a glove. You don't really want to touch this. It's kind of strong. It's got a pretty strong smell to it, so I would say be careful when you open it. I probably wouldn't even do it over the car in case it explodes on you or leaks. So just open it up, and it is going to be a little bit wet. It's like a little sponge in there, so you're not going to need a lot of it. So as you're taking it out, squeeze some of that out, because it does come out kind of heavy. You're going to need just a little bit to apply to the edge of that window. All right, here we go. Just a little bit. get the corners pretty good here. Once you apply it, you're going to want to wait a few seconds until it partially dries. Okay, so that's all you need. Dispose of the rest. I would say wait about 15 to 20 seconds for it to dry. We're almost there. Once it dries, we'll put that spoiler back on and slowly remove that tape. One thing you can do if you are trying to apply this on a colder day, I wouldn't recommend installing this on a day that's colder than 60, but if you must, one thing you can do is start your motor, let it run, warm up, and that way it will definitely warm up the glass. It will make that application much, much easier and stronger, right? Try to do it when it's a little bit warmer. Currently in here we have about 85 degrees, so it's perfect, a little humid, so this should work very, very well. All right, now that we're dry, we're going to be putting this guy on here. Again, make sure you line it up. Looks good. All right, here we go. Okay. And the other side. The first one goes off easily. And then this guy. All right, once we remove it, make sure it's lined up and start pressing down. Okay, as you press down, you're definitely gonna have to hold it down for a good few seconds, depending how cold it is. Make sure it adheres. Sometimes you can put your hand underneath the glass and squeeze a little bit. That helps. Otherwise, if you press too hard, you're gonna break the glass. But squeezing it together definitely is gonna help. And the edge, make sure you press those edges. Those are the areas that usually lift on different applications. So the center does not have any tape, and that's made by design. So when it rains and the water runs down, it has a channel to run that water down and out. So there's no tape, no adhesion in the center. But the sides, make sure that's nice and tight and just hold. It definitely makes the rear glass look much, much better. It's just a nice finishing piece to the back, and the nice thing is it's matching as the carbon flash, just like your other trim pieces here. So that makes it look really, really cool. Nice and even on both sides. Looking good. We'll find out how well we remove that ceramic coating as we're driving. If it flies off, that means we didn't. Hopefully we don't have to deal with that. Okay, to see this boomerang flying through the air. I can feel it holding nicely. Once you install it, definitely give it a day or so before you start washing this car or going through any washes or getting it wet. Let this adhere well. Obviously I'm putting a lot of fingerprints underneath the glass, but you can't see that. We'll clean that up later. All right, and there you have it. I think it looks sharp, so much better than stock glass exposed. Let me know what you think. All right, till next time, see you guys soon. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support really helps our channel grow and lets us bring you more great content like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.